Turning your engine 9J496, engine turn. The engine is turning good. Compressor here is good. Socket no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, very nice, very good, no problem. And from this side, the starter also good, no problem. On top, very nice, very good. Didn't see any damages. And the turbo here also good. And I check inside. It's spinning very good. It's turned very good. And no up and down, yeah. Very nice. And down here, the oil sum and the gearbox also good. No damage, no broken. And the engine is turning good.